Welcome to Shree RSC classes. So today we will learn how we can calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. So you must know the property of rectangle first of all. So here you can see that this is the length and this is the width. And you must also know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That means if this length is 2 centimeter here, then the opposite side will also be 2 centimeter. Then the opposite of this 3 centimeter will also be here. So opposite sides are equal. Now let us understand how we can calculate the perimeter of this given rectangle. For that, we need to understand this formula. So, according to the formula of perimeter of rectangle, it says that you need to do the addition of the length and the width and you just need to double it. That's the meaning of this formula. Or you can say twice of the sum of length and width will give you the perimeter of rectangle. So now let's do it. So you can see that the length is 2 centimeter and the width is 3 centimeter. Now if you add them up, that will be 5. And as I said, this 2 is to do the double of this given sum or the addition of the length and the width, which is coming as 5. Now you can just do the double of 5, which will give you 10. And don't forget to keep the unit, which is centimeter. So 10 centimeter will be the perimeter of this rectangle. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.